Hi, this is Earl with the Handy Family, and we're going to show you how to vacuum a green pool. So for any pool vacuuming, you'll actually need a hose that's fairly long, poles, a vacuum head, a brush, a vacuum plate that goes over your skimmer, and typically a skimmer net. So we're going to start off with showing you how to actually connect your hose to your vacuum head. We want to use the end that swivels and has a swivel cuff to the vacuum head. Then you'll actually attach your pole to your vacuum head. And we recommend either a 6 to 12 foot telescoping pole or 8 to 16 depending on the depth of your pool. Typically for an in-ground pool we would recommend the 8 to 16 foot pole. One thing that you want to make sure that you do is have a hose that is actually long enough and deep enough to fit your pool. So take the length and the depth into account and have everything set up. Next, what you'll do is you'll take your hose and fill it up with water, and what this will do is remove any air pockets out of the vacuum hose, just to make sure that you do not have any suction and loose prime in your when vacuuming. This usually takes a couple minutes, but it definitely saves you a lot of time when it comes to vacuuming. So at that point, you'll actually put your vacuum head and hose into the water, and you want to make sure that you have your vacuum head submerged at all times. Otherwise you'll lose suction and vacuuming will basically stop. Once you have that all set up, you can connect your vacuum plate to your hose, and then you can put it directly over the skimmer basket and start vacuuming. You should feel a pretty strong suction. Important thing to remember when vacuuming your pool is if you have a main drain or a center drain, to shut that off for vacuuming. And then when you're removing algae, what you want to do is make sure that you take your multi-port and move that to waste. Once that's all set, you can turn on your pump. Put your vacuum plate back on. And then start vacuuming. Essentially, you have to do the entire surface of the pool, and you want to move at a reasonable pace because at the same time water is leaving your pool. So as you can see, we're making pretty good progress with cleaning this up. Now the next step after you've vacuumed as much as you can is to go along and brush the entire sides and bottom of the pool. Now this will actually brush up any algae that's been really sticky or in some tough to reach spots with the vacuum. The next step is to brush all of the remaining areas of the pool. The sides, the bottom, the corners, any spots that may not have been vacuumed up or where the algae is stuck pretty rigorously. Once this is complete, the pool can be shocked and a dose of algicide can be added to to help clear up the pool further. So now you can see the finished results after vacuuming, brushing, and treating. The pool will continue to clear up over the next day or so, and it should be back to crystal clear sparkling water. If you need any assistance with cleaning or algae removal in your pool, please feel free to give us a call at the Handy Family. Number is 585-269-4525. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks, and happy swimming.